Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm back with a new video on it's a little tricks way. Pretty much what you do is you go onto the Play Store or App Store, whatever it's called on your phone, and look for a thing that says instant buttons, and it should come up with a red one like this. So what you're going to do is tap on it, and it should load up saying featured, and you have a load of different thingies and stuff. There's loads more and stuff, but pretty much you've got like funny things like memes, you've got songs, you've got stuff like that. Like for example, if I click on the search and I type in iPhone, oh crap, and then click search, then it should comes up with things like this. You've got the normal one. But who wants that? I like things like this. And you get different things and all. It's pretty cool. I like these things. And anyway, if you want to have one of these as your ringtone, alarm, or text, just hold the button, click assign ringtone, and you can see here it says ringtone, notification, or alarm. And if you click one of them, it will automatically set it so when someone calls you or texts you or your alarm goes off in the morning or something, then you will hear that noise. And you can, obviously, because there's three things, the call, alarm, and text, so you can change all three of them. It's not just, if I pick this one, it won't just be for text, alarm, and call. Yeah, anyway, that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and peace.